What is up? Beware when using the Ridgid mid-torque octane. Ooh, don't use these little swivels. They don't like to be bent. Now it doesn't even work. That was the only one I had too. Oh man. I already shattered my 1/2-inch one. So just beware when using these little twist swivels like this. I was gonna get the impact ones from Harbor Freight, but I never ended up picking them up. Should have. Gee whiz. Luckily it didn't shatter. Oh man, it got hot though, because like I had my hand kind of right by it, kind of holding it steady, and it didn't even move. And it just from bending it, it got super hot. Like burnt my finger right there, or my hand right there. That one little spot, you can see it. Jeez.